Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we have a Jeep Cherokee XJ from Johnny Lightning. This is a limited edition, one of 5,040. So I have two of them here. And one's different than the other, and I will show you what is different about that in a little bit. So Winder Towing has a YouTube channel that I would strongly suggest you check it out. I've seen every video that he's posted. I believe he started about a year ago, and it's very entertaining. Matt owns the company. He seems like a very nice, down-to-earth guy. Has some family that works with him. All of his crew, everyone seems super nice. It's like what a reality show should be. So back in the day when all the reality shows were really popular, and once you find out that they're so scripted, it's kind of disappointing. Well, Matt's Off-Road Recovery is the YouTube channel for Winder Towing, and it's real reality TV, basically. So I would highly suggest to check it out. I've been watching him for a year now. But in the video, and I think almost every video he posted, you will see this Jeep. So this Jeep, he basically did all of his own fabricating. And there's a video of his that he posted that talks about all that, and really cool. So look on the back here. So it has the website, and I'll put a link to the YouTube channel in the description below. But this is a really detailed piece here. It looks almost identical to his actual Jeep. But like I said, I have two here. Now the Jeep and everything is the same, but this one here got Matt's autograph on it, which is really cool. So that one's going to stay in the package. And this one I am going to open. See some facts. The Winder Towing vehicle is named after a tropical fruit. So it's called a banana. And the Jeep is known for recovering vehicles much larger than itself. And there's a lot of times where he shows up and people have an RV that's stuck in the sand, and they'll make a comment like, that's all you brought? That thing's going to pull this out? And as an owner of an XJ myself, they're pretty fun, capable vehicles. His a little more capable from the upgrades he did, but so I know his is a 2001, which is the last year they made the XJ. My wife and I own a 2000, which we've owned for some time now. And I'll post it on my channel eventually. I'm a pretty big Jeep fan. I have a lot of Jeep Diecast. So one of my upcoming videos, I wanted to do a video that's outside with our Jeep. Trying to cut my fingers off here. I don't want to destroy the packaging too much, so. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. there you go. So you got, it says Winder Towing. It's Hurricane, Utah. And there's his phone number there. So if you're down there in Utah checking out the sand dunes and stuff, that's the number to call. So you see the black stripes he has in the hood there on his version. On the real version, he cut louvers in, which if you know anything about an XJ, they get heat soaked. The engine is too big, really, to fit in there, and the engine bay, so it gets kind of hot when it's running, and so he cut louvers in to let some heat out. Pretty popular thing. I think this hood opens. If I can try to get that open. Okay, I know it opens, but so off-road recovery. I thought it was pretty cool that that's his actual license plate. So if you watch the videos, that's in the video. So his Jeep is lifted just like this one. Check out the bottom here. So there's the date, 7/15/2020. And that teeny tiny lettering, I really can't read that. I don't know what that says. But super, super cool casting. You got a winch on the front. There you go. So you got the banana, Winder Towing, Matt's Off-Road Recovery. So if you ever happen to see this, Matt, thank you for your videos. They definitely entertain me. And as a fan of an XJ, of the XJs, I really like yours, and hopefully one day I can get out to Utah and cruise around, and maybe you can get me out when I'm stuck. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to go check out Matt's Off-Road Recovery. I guarantee you will like his videos. Even if you're not into Jeeps, you're not into off-roading, you will still be entertained. Oh, before I forget, when we ordered these, they shipped this cool sticker in the box. So that's pretty nice of them. And I forget how many days, but I would say, I think when we bought these, within 5 days, they were here. So really fast with their shipping. They have a bunch of shirts and hats that you can buy. Well, if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.